Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how a beginner can change their hose bib under 4 minutes. To start, locate the hose bib shut off and turn off the water. If you can't locate the water shut off to the hose bib, it's a good idea to turn off the water to the entire house. Once that is done, we are going to take off the old hose bib. Make sure to use 2 wrenches, one to unthread the hose bib and second as a backup wrench, so that when you turn the hose bib counterclockwise to unthread, it doesn't twist the pipe that is coming out of the wall, which can damage the pipe or fittings inside the wall and will lead to a bigger problem. Once the hose bib is off, clean off any Teflon tape or thread compound from the female adapter. Now it's time to install the new spigot. This is a 1/2 inch brass spigot. To start, wrap some Teflon tape on the threads of new hose bib. When you wrap Teflon tape on the threads, make sure you are going clockwise. Normally I wrap around 4 to 5 turns on the threads and keep the first thread bare to the metal. It helps with thread engagement, reduces the chance of cross-threading and blockage caused by the Teflon tape. I also apply some pipe dope. It lubricates the threads and helps to make a better seal. Carefully start the threads and now tighten the hose bib in the female adapter with 2 wrenches again. One as the backup wrench and the other one to tighten the hose. Do not over tighten the hose bib because that can damage the female adapter. Turn it until you feel it tighten, then stop. Once that is done, clean off the extra pipe dope. Now turn on the water and check for leaks. Hose bibs should also have a vacuum breaker installed on them. Check out our video tutorial to see how a vacuum breaker is installed. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.